Atikirira ekisemi asoboti kubabono wizara ekisemi miense nigo yabwatikira Amachibu yaborokiwa wa Kenya Junior School Education Assessment Kjsea kurachio bisi cha Kenya National Examination Council ase nyumba ya mtihani gasomo cho Nairobi konengana no OMOWAZIRI w'ekisemi JULIUS OGAMBA Amachibu ayo nigara yaborokiwe milioni yemo chilifu emia yemo 3.54 abwase abamura bari chilifu chimia isano 50 na 25 chimia isano na 30 abuo boigo asaba abana baiseke bare chilifu chimia isano 50 no yomo chimia isano na 29.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we are releasing the 2025 Kjsea results for 1,130,459 learners, all of whom will be placed in appropriate pathways at senior school to lay the foundation for the pursuit of careers of their choice. Of the 1,130,459 learners who sat the 2025 Kjsea, 578,630 were male, while 551,829 were female, representing 51.19% and 48.81% of the total learners, respectively. Ladies and gentlemen, from the inception of the competency-based assessment, the reporting of learners' performance uses performance levels of exceeding expectation, meeting expectation, approaching expectation, and below expectation. Out of the 12 subjects offered at Kjsea, 7 subjects recorded a higher proportion of learners performing at meeting expectations and exceeding expectations. Female learners outperformed male learners in the proportion meeting and exceeding expectations in 10 subjects out of the 12 subjects. Of the 1,130,459 candidates who sat for the 2025 Kjsea, 59.09% have demonstrated potential to pursue the STEM pathway at senior school. 46.52% have demonstrated capacity to pursue the social science pathway, and 48.73% the arts and sports pathway. Learners will be placed to senior schools based on their performance and selected pathways, in line with the recommendations of the Presidential Working Party on Education Reform.